wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Hi, how are you doing out there? Kids, are you excited? Because it's story time again, right? You remember our story time room? Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of cold outside and raining, so that's why don't we just go right into our next story and read. What do we have here? Let me look. The Musicians of Bremen. I wonder what this story is about. Are you ready? So, let's go. Oh, I like the first sentence. Once upon a time, Donkey decided to go to the town of Bremen. Once he was there, he hoped to become a town musician. As he walked down the road, he met Dog and stopped to chat. "Where are you going?" asked Dog. "I am going to Bremen to become a town musician," Donkey replied. Dog then and there decided he would like to do that too. So off they went together on the road to Bremen. "Hop on to the bus, let's go." Off we go to Bremen. As they walked along, they sang a happy duet, braying and barking together. Ooh, I can't do that. That's not good. If I do that, you will all run away from me. So I'll have the donkey and the dog do that. Kitty Cat heard them and ran to meet them. "Where are you going?" she asked. "Meow." When Donkey and Doggy told her, she decided that she wanted to be a town musician too. Yep, I want to sing too. I want to make music. So off they went, singing a trio. Meow, woof woof, moo. They had not gone far when they met Rocky the Rooster. When he found out what the three musicians were going to do, he asked, "May I join you? I can sing too." They welcomed him, and so there were 4 musicians on their way to Bremen. But the town of Bremen was far, far away. The dark night came, and they lost their way. Oh no! Oh, that's not good. They were tired from their long walk and were very hungry. I'd be hungry too. I'm kind of hungry now too. Then, off in the distance, they saw a light shining in the window of a house. "Look over there, a house! The light's on. Perhaps there we will find something to eat and a place to sleep," said Donkey. "But we must first make sure that the people are friendly," said Rocky the Rooster. So they crept silently up to the house. Donkey, who was the tallest, peeked in the window. "What do you see?" asked Kitty Cat. "I don't know yet. I'm looking," Oh, why? I see 4 robbers, exclaimed Donkey. They are sitting around a table, enjoying a great feast. And lying around the room are all kinds of things which they have stolen. Ooh. We must think of a plan to chase robbers away, said Doggy Dog. The musicians were all very hungry and would have liked to be enjoying that feast themselves. Yeah, we're all hungry, aren't we? The food didn't belong to the robbers anyway, for they had stolen it. So the 4 musicians thought of a plan. What do you think they're gonna do? Kids, do you know? Elmo? Mickey? Olivia, do you have any ideas? No? Well, then let me tell you. Doggy Dog jumped up on Donkey's back, and Kitty Cat climbed up on Doggy Dog's back. Rocky the Rooster perched on Kitty Cat's back. Then Rocky began to crow. Kitty began to meow. Doggy Dog began to bark, and Donkey began to bray. Oh my! Now that's some music, huh? Bark, 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 meow, meow, bark, 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 meow, meow, woof, 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 woof. Oh, oh. You never heard such an awful racket in all your life. No. Quickly, cover your ears. This is horrible music. The robbers jumped up out of their chairs in terror. They thought some monster was about to eat them. Out the door and into the forest they ran as fast as they could go. Look, there they're going. Bye-bye. The 4 musicians went in and finished eating the robbers' supper. My, but it tasted good. They turned off the lights and lay down for a good night's sleep. Meanwhile, about midnight, the robbers saw that the house was dark and quiet. We should not have been scared so easily, said Grumble Buff, the chief robber. One of us must sneak back in to see if it is safe for us to return. Grumble Buff was too scared to go himself, so he told Snaggletooth to go. Trembling with fear, Snaggletooth entered the pitch-dark house. He was fumbling about trying to light a candle when he tripped over Kitty Cat. Oh no! And woke her up. Meow! Kitty Cat leaped up and scratched him. Scared out of his wits, Snaggletooth ran to the door, where Doggy Dog bit him in the leg, and Donkey gave him a kick. Rocky Rooster woke up and started crowing. Snaggletooth ran back to his gang in the forest. We must flee, he cried. There is a terrible gang of horrible creatures in the house. A witch flew up and scratched me. An orc stabbed me with a knife. A giant hit me with a club. And all the time someone was screeching, kill the robber, do! The 4 robbers quickly turned and ran away. They never went near that house again. No. The 4 musicians were so pleased with the house, they decided to stay. And should you ever go by that way, you will probably hear sweet songs coming from the window as the 4 friends sing their merry tunes. What a wonderful story, isn't that? Did you like that story? Yes? I wonder if one day we can go visit them, and maybe they will play some music for us. The four musicians, right? Donkey, Doggy Dog, Meow the Cat, Kitty Cat, Rocky the Rooster. I'd love to hear their songs, wouldn't you? But maybe that we will do another day, because now it's time to go to bed. Good night, kids. Sleep tight. And remember to dream again. We will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!